Here's how to make monthly and yearly calendars in Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and create a new workbook. Then, click on the File tab in the top left corner and select New. In the search bar, type Calendar to browse different calendar templates available in Excel. You'll see monthly, yearly, and planner-style templates. Choose the one you want and click Create. Once the template opens, you can start customizing it. Many calendar templates include instructions or text boxes that help you change the year, month, or layout automatically. Now you can add your own events, reminders, birthdays, or schedules directly into the calendar cells. If you want to change the design, go to the Page Layout tab and select Themes to apply different colors, fonts, and styles to your calendar. That's it. You've successfully created an interactive calendar in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.